What is up, you guys? My name's Emily. Welcome to Coin Hunting with Emily. Today I am going to be going through this little coin bag I got for Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, and with that, let's get on to the video. Alright, so here we have our bag, you guys. Now this was a gift to me for Christmas, so I don't have the price of the bag, but it was purchased online, so it's not a personal collection is what we're going to assume. So, let's just see what we have. Alright, so the first coin, we have a, let's see if we can get it into the focus there. Let's see, 1956 wheat penny. Pretty nice. 56. Alright, next we have that's a 46. I apologize for the camera quality, you guys. I am looking to get something a little bit better, but we'll do what we can. So, I think for the whole video, I'll just go through these individually and, you know, they're all going to be something pretty hip, is what the hope is, since it is specifically for online. This one is a 1940. Hopefully, I will post some pictures with these two on the camera if I haven't already, just so you guys can get an idea of what they look like from the front. And this one we've got a 45. So, they're 46s. But I hope everybody had a great Christmas. I know I certainly did, and for those of you who celebrate Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. I believe tonight would be the 5th or 6th night. It's 51. And then Kwanzaa actually starts today too, so I don't actually know anybody who celebrates Kwanzaa, but if you do, happy Kwanzaa. 52. So I don't believe these are all supposed to be wheat cents. I heard that there would be some other coins in here, is what the hopes are. It's 1940. Wheat cents. Alright. So we've got two 1940s. Ooh. This one looks pretty good. This one's a 58. So 58's the last year they had them. But it's wonderful quality for a wheat cent. Now I know you can tell if they're proofs by the way they shine, and this one's not shining in particularly too different. So I don't think it's a proof, is what I'm gonna go. But once again, I'll ask you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know if there's a difference between telling proofs apart in other coins than there are in pennies. Because pennies I always had trouble with for some reason figuring out if they're proofs or not. Alright, this one is a 1918. So this is the oldest one we have so far, and it's pretty nice cut. You can make out all the lettering on it. I don't actually have any in the teens so far. Besides, I do have a 1909 BBD, but I don't have any in the teens somehow. So that'll add nicely to my collection. $56. Alright. Oh, 256s now. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Wanted to change the music for you there really quickly. What's your guys' favorite Christmas song, or just holiday song in general? I know there aren't a lot of Hanukkah songs out there. Adam Sandler's got one. I heard that the other day for the first time. It was pretty cool. This one's a 1944. Even I'm having trouble. My eyesight's starting to go. Alright. Yeah. I did get a coin camera for Christmas, so I am very excited to set that up and get that going for you guys. I have never worked with a coin camera before. This one's a 36. And I'm really excited about it. I've seen a few folks use them, and I've never had the chance to see one even in person before. But this one will hook up to my laptop. I've got an Asus, so hopefully everything will work out pretty fine. This one is a 52. But it would be nice to be able to film this a little better for you guys. I apologize. Hopefully we'll get something set up. And I'm looking forward to using that. Another Wheatstone. This one is also a 56, and it looks like this one is a Denver. So I'll just put that one up there. So who knows? Maybe somebody online is dumping their collection. But shout out to my aunt. She got me this lovely bag of coins that I'll be adding to my collection today. 57. Yeah, quite the collection of Wheat Cents, and it's pretty nice. 44. I always love the design on the back of the Wheat Cents. This one looks like it is, or could possibly be, a steel cent, and I believe it is. Date on here. This one is a 43, so I believe it is a steel cent. So the steel cents were minted from mid-1942 to 45, when there was a shortage during the War of Copper. So it is 99% copper, my understanding, and 1% zinc. And I don't, here we are. And I don't have any steel cents in my collection, so I'm very excited about that. Here we are with another 1944 mercury dime, 90% silver. I'm very excited about this. This one is actually in really nice condition. It's a little worn, but it's got a nice tone to it. So, you know, the famous saying, I'll take it. Alright. Ooh, this one is a 1920. And here we are, another steel cent, it looks like. 1943. My grandfather actually did serve during the war, and he's got his yearbooks and skipped over the 2 years he served, so I'm wondering if maybe he's got a few steel cents. I haven't come across anything, but steel cent, 43. But yeah, I find it fascinating how everything changed, you know, currency-wise. That's probably one of the last things you think about changing during a war. This one is a 45. My bet's 46. Having trouble seeing these, I'm telling you. My eyes are going. And I'm like, what? I'm 19. My eyes should not be going. Alright, here we are with a buffalo. This one's got a nice detail on it, you can still see. and that is it's a 36. Beautiful. Alright, oh, here we are again. Looks like another 36. Four-legged buffalo. Right, not the wheat cents. This looks to be a Denver minted 58. So it's nice. Yeah. Wheat cents. I have a feeling we're only going to find American currency, but that's fine with me. $45, Philadelphia. So when you guys are coin collecting, do you normally organize things by date? Leave a comment down below. How do you go about it? Do you use Matt to organize the years? This one's a 45. But yeah, I'm interested. I haven't been in this hunting business for too long, but I've been watching all your guys' videos. They're awesome, and I just find it interesting how everybody does a different thing. 47. Starting to grow back there, running out of room. Alright, another buffalo. That's 4. This one is also a 37. So we're doing good. I got a nice variety of years here, which you like to see. And ranges, so you get the older stuff too, which you don't normally find online on bags. A lot of them exaggerate what the dates are going to be, and say 50. And yeah, I don't normally buy coins online myself. In fact, I don't think I ever have. I usually order them from the bank. But I know a lot of places like eBay will sell them in different quantities and stuff. This one is is this an S? This one's a little hard to make out with the mint stamp, but it looks like it could be an S. I'm going to say that's a 52. And that's another reason I would need the coin camera, so glad I have it to test out later. I'll try to get a mint mark off of it. Alright. I believe we got one more after this one. 1956. So they're all in fairly good condition, especially the 58 we got. But I'm excited about these. I'm very happy with this bag. And this looks like it's going to be our last one. And it's a buffalo. And that's a 1930. So I don't have that year, which is nice. But we did pretty good. So I'm happy with the bag. Do you guys normally go bags, or do you order online? I usually pick up at the bank, like I said. But I'm pretty happy about this. I know online there's a better chance of getting somebody's collection done, of course. But I don't know. So we did pretty good for this. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thanks for joining me again. And I am going to order some coins at the bank later today. So I will definitely have another video for you guys before I get back to school. And we'll see how that goes. Merry Christmas! One more thing before I get going, guys, just one more update. I did finally get to plug in the coin camera. It was awesome. So I looked at the mercury done before, the 1944, and I couldn't figure out what the mint mark was on it, so I did a little research, and it's, of course, it's not a W, but I'm thinking it might be a double die. So let me know what you guys think. I believe it's some sort of error. And make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos about coins.